The construction.
हाँ yes sir.
Good.
All the best sir. Management है ना.
बढ़िया.
चलो. सर में जाएंगे.
सर दिस सर
Thank you very much.
chairperson of the DA committee, Professor Venkatesh Patel sir, coordinator Dr. Chandan Gupta sir, member Dr. The presentation for the NAC peer visit. So this is a brief outline about the presentation, institute profile, vision, mission, institute achievements, faculty achievements, curriculum aspects.
Next go to next slide.
So this is what we are established in 2001. We are affiliated to JNTU Hyderabad and approved by ICT Institute. We have 3 ISO 9001 to 15, 50,001 to 2018, 14,001 to 2015. This is for the quality assurance, energy as well as the environment. We are having 5 UG programs in BTech, computer science, electronics, mechanical, civil engineering, and electrical and electricity. Main slate faculty. Average experience is of more than 6.5 years. The student mental ratio is 1:13. The student full-time ratio is 1:10. And there are 8 faculty awards. As far as the placement is concerned, government as well as private agencies. This is what the infrastructure related to the college. We are having a incubation center, R&D center, board room, 30 under construction right now within not more than the Kshatriya College of Engineering. This is our governing body. This is the structure of the governing body, how we function. This is the vision and vision. This is again the previous one. This is about the faculty with PhD, NET and SLET year-wise. So we are having the FPTL local chapters also. These are the awards in name of the college. Remember, this is 23. There are some certain some awards are from the government, some awards are from the local bodies. This is about the MOUs. We are having the MOU with Infosys Spring Board, with the number. This is 42 total MOUs. This is the patents what have been published. 10 patents are in my name. And number of books published is 63. National awards are 02. Fellowships are 2. Myself is the research fellow of IMT in Malaysia. And our HOD, MBA HOD, Dr. Sudhakar is also the research fellow of IMT University, Malaysia. There are some NPTEL certificates. These certificates are not, we are not counted for the students, only for the purpose of the faculty members. So we promote to go for this particular SWAYAM, NPTEL and all. So this is some sort of workshop we did before going for this particular night. Some renowned professors have been called. This is the curriculum aspect. We are affiliated to JNTU. We are strictly following the prescribed syllabus of the JNTU. There are some certain regulations 15, 16, 18 and 22. So recently we are going for the 22. JNTU started choice based in regulation 18. So academic calendars. We used to take the feedback from the parents, how the college is going, what is the progress of the students, how you feel that is there any change in your world after joining this particular college or not. Such type of feedbacks are taken. Feedback from the faculty is very much. It helps me as a head of institute what the different strategies we can follow to make them uplifted. Why? They are the actual person who used to make a contact in the class. All these things. So we used to go for the faculty as well as the mentors. Then there is a department academic committee for the approvals. Approval means what are the gap, what we can go for the additional courses, additional certification. That is decided by the department, and finally it comes to the principal. Then we take the final decision that this particular certificates we can go for. Feedback from the previous year attainments, what we taught, where we went, or how to. प्रोविजन में है सकता है
G+2
वो दोनों ऊपर
Substitute analysis. We have mechanical, civil engineer, basic electrical and electronics. वो एक second semester है. ये every semester में दो ऐसे जाते हैं.
कुछ रिकॉर्ड्स वगैरह रखते हैं आप इसमें कितने स्टूडेंट्स
मैनुअल्स वगैरह है सर. स्टूडेंट का लिस्ट ऑफ एडमिशन है ना, उसके अंदर हम ये सब जो है वगैरह देते हैं जिसको ये मैनुअल्स अभी सब थोड़ा 2-3 साल से की जगह
इंटेक कितना है 60
अभी improve हो रहा है.
Reason था?
अभी सेकेंड ईयर में 41 है सर.
अच्छा.
फर्स्ट ईयर में भी 55 तक
बढ़ रहा है.
बढ़ रहा है सर. सब बेटी सर. प्लीज सर प्लीज बच्चों को सेमिस्टर होगा तो निकाल देते सेमिस्टर बोलते रहते हैं. और एक टेबल पे 4-5 लोगों का
सभी IIT NIT मिलके मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ रिसर्च का प्रोजेक्ट है NIMIC. उसमें क्या है कि किसी एक्सपेरिमेंट को जो बच्चा समझ नहीं आ रहा है सिस्टम पे लगाया और एक्सपेरिमेंट दिया हुआ है पूरा एडिटिव कैसे करंट ट्रांसफर हो रहा है हाँ से
रिसेक्शन का फंक्शन नहीं है.
10 तक नहीं है. 12th में भी वो किया है. हाँ हाँ देखो कितना
कितने सिस्टम्स हैं ये? क्या कॉन्फ़िगरेशन क्या है इनका? तो इसमें क्या क्या करवाते हैं? कौन से एक्सपेरिमेंट?
सर इसमें अभी IoT के सब
नया कुछ introduce किया।
चालू हो रहा है सिस्टम, वो अभी ये सिस्टम आगे आने वाला है। तो ये इसमें VLSI एक होता है, ये एक बेसिक सिमुलेशन होता है, DSP एक होता है, ये DSP दोनों कर सकते हैं, R18 जैसे तो ये पूरे MATLAB में करा था इसमें, और इसका सारा TMS K27 DSP प्रोसेसर के ऊपर की करा था असेंबली लैंग्वेज रियल टाइम हमारे बाहर
सेंटर चेंज हो गया
small, we will do Yes. So, analog circuits. Analog circuit is nothing but because you have seen the configuration of a transistor BJT. Bipolar junction, transistor. Common emitter, configuration, common base configuration, and common collector emitter circuit. What is the output impedance of common emitter circuit? Okay. So, and we will study this voltage gain. What is the power gain? Okay. And also, first lesson is the first unit is biasing and stabilization. So you people know that why we are using a transistor. Transistor application is nothing but for amplification purpose. For what purpose? Amplification purpose. Amplification is nothing but what? Output. The output signal must be same as the input signal. Right?
They are very willing to mind. सीखने का ये मार्क्स करने का
अच्छा
No, you are giving less marks with absent. You may not come to first experiment. ये आपको ऐसा नहीं absent लिखने का.
फाइल आपसे सीखने.
That's why you ऐसा print out लिखने का.
अच्छा.
That also hard copy by pen. I don't believe this now. All institutions not even single experiment they are absent.
So this is my question.
Very good.
Define level sensor.
What is 2M?
2 marks.
Where is your C?
That that's a we are not writing in the question paper. So we are after
Right,
writing. That's different. They will know. I mentioned the keywords like draw,
solve, write, develop, expand.
Yes.
This is good question. Question paper depends upon this tells you have got knowledge in this subject.
Yes, that's right.
Otherwise, write, explain.
Right, sir. That's whatever things I will prepare and I will give it up under the meeting and I will explain to the friends.
Something wanted to show me.
Attend.
Right.
Sir, which one is the first question? Second question.
And that one of the
Few.
Same.
You show me the PSO of your department program.
Yes, sir. First I do PUs. PUs. That's a 5 marks we have to do, sir. But
5 marks, sir.
35.
This is your PSO. Show me the PSO as agreement. Can you show me one blue book? The students writing examination on which paper? Book is there? ये book like this. और one or two books.
That's enough, sir.
Any roughly anybody?
Yes, sir. First I do PUs. PUs. That's a 5 marks we have to do, sir. But 35.
This is your PSO
should be the PSO agreement. Can you show me one blue book? The students writing examination on which paper? Book is that? Booklet like or one or two books. Any roughly anybody else? Anybody can explain these two are not coming here. They are teachers or what? They are juniors,
Junior faculty. They are senior faculty.
Show me. Anybody can explain these two are not coming here. They are teachers or what? They are juniors,
Junior faculty. They are senior faculty.
Show me.
Files from statistics from with the latest computers. Statistics.
This is provided in the college.
One page, bid 1, bid 2.
Why I ask that? If I take it to his home from the college, I come with some answer. You know that for the chapter they will ask. If I take it blank from the college, what security feature they are having? What I will do? Assume that. I will bring with my full answer, expecting some question. Then I will take, before giving you question or after giving you percentage. What I will do, if they are very smart than you, I will write everything, all things. I can expect the questions. I just permanent signature. It's not possible. I think okay, madam, I understand. But security, because security feature.
तो क्या कितने टेस्ट करते हैं आप?
दो टेस्ट
है, फिर एक असाइनमेंट एक प्रैक्टिकल भी होता है।
यहाँ पर
कोई टेस्ट उसमें से चूज कर लेते हैं।
यहाँ पर क्या है, जैसे ही आएगा
जी।
दे और जो बच्चे का जो मार्क्स है ना सर, पोर्टल पे डाल देना है।
आप इन दोनों टेस्ट के मार्क्स जो हैं पोर्टल पे डाल दीजिए।
इंटरनल एक्सटर्नल पूरे एग्जाम्स के पेपर भी रहते हैं उसके हिसाब से मार्क्स का
यानी सर वो फैक्ट फाइंडिंग में आते हैं ना, तो ये भी देखते हैं। तो वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर।
So you prepare, question paper for your internal test. Semester exam का दोनों से आता होगा।
इंटरनल के लिए आप
पास परसेंटेज क्या है सर आपके?
40%।
ओवरऑल तो सर ये लगभग कि इट इज ऑल क्लियर टू द पार्ट 60%। ऑल क्लियर। उसमें क्या है, कुछ चेंज बैकग्राउंड है, किसी को 2 बैकग्राउंड है। वो इसमें क्या है अभी इस एग्जाम से एक हफ्ता पहले उन्होंने स्पेशल कैरी ओवर किया है।
कुछ पब्लिकेशन है आपके डिपार्टमेंट में? थोड़ा सा दिखाइए। ये बुक्स हैं? ये आपकी
मैं बोला कि यहाँ एफडीपी में 0 है, तो यहाँ ये कंप्यूटर वाले सब फैकल्टी को बैठा के सर्टिफिकेट प्रोग्राम करके एफडीपी का सर्टिफिकेट दे सकते थे, तो उनका और ज़्यादा मार्क्स आ सकते थे। तो ये यहाँ हो सकता है। अभी मैंने ये बेस्ट प्रैक्टिस यहाँ डिस्ट्रिक्ट में देखा, ब्लड डोनेशन कैंप ये लोग गांव में जाके करते हैं, तो कितना बेस्ट प्रैक्टिस डिस्ट्रिक्ट में है।
हेलो
Apart from that, there are some courses that are KG to but they hesitate to communicate in English, so उसकी थोड़ा pressure नहीं आपको बहुत
naturally because we are situated in rural areas, so students they are coming here. This is very important क्योंकि आज की दुनिया में आईटी इंडस्ट्री में तो विदाउट इंग्लिश नहीं चल रहा है।
हम उनको फ्री ऑफ क्लास खाना पीना रहना कैसे
कुछ रिकॉर्ड वगैरह है उसका दिखाइएगा।
जी जी सर
और वो जो पेटेंट वाला वो मैं वो भी अरेंज करवा दीजिए इम्पोर्टेंट वाला। ये क्या होता है बहुत बार वो इसलिए बोल रहे थे बिकॉज आई नो पीपल यूज टू पब्लिश और फिर अवार्ड नहीं हुआ उसके बावजूद वो क्लेम करते हैं। अच्छा इंक्यूबेशन भी है ना आपके पास? कुछ निकलता है उसमें से कब स्टैब्लिश किया?
सर ये अपने टीम ट्रेनर्स भेजते हैं।
अच्छा
3 दिन के लिए डेडिकेटेड।
प्रतिभा मैडम ये पूरे
ఇట్లా కిందకేం మీకు ఐసా ఫోటో ఫోటో
ఆటోగ్రాఫ్ బ్లూ బ్లూ రైట్
मैकेनिकल की तो उसमें कट सेक्शन वगैरह भी होगा। आपको सर CSR से
teaching also here.
टीचिंग है नॉन टीचिंग है?
Both have
Introduce ourselves. There are so many places you have put banners, different poses and all like heroes, film heroes like. Thank you for that. Since morning to tomorrow evening we'll be here. As you know, there are 2 bodies of accreditation at national level. One is NAC, another is NB. Infrastructure, governance, best practices. Qualitative matrices also, quantitative matrices also. Since morning, we finished the principal presentation, visited different departments. Now, third phase is interaction with the stakeholders, the potential stakeholders of the institution. Now, we want to hear from your side 2 issues. One is regarding the welfare schemes. Another thing is the strategies to be emphasized to take your institution to a greater height. Okay. I'll be asking some questions one by one. I think before coming to this interaction session, have any one of you seen the NAC website regarding this interaction? There are some questions are given. What question? Okay. If you are not seen, good. We will repeat the same questions. The first question and foremost is that if you are made as the principal of this college tomorrow, what changes you want to bring to this institution? This question is open to all. Panditji rahega, don't think to remove him because nobody will remove him. But this is the question is commonly asked. With your, sort of dedication, quality, devotion and determination with the proper deadlocks, what changes you want to bring?
Students' requirements, I want to apply immediately change anything if they ask.
Okay, बोलिए क्या changes you want to bring? और अनिल कपूर का पिक्चर था ना, कौन सा नाम था वो हिंदी में? नहीं, नितिन का सीएम.
Regarding different, sir, if student requirements are different, sir, if any programs or anything, faculty requirements also different, na? That means.
You tell that that. Yes, please, yes, otherwise Rajkumar wants to answer.
Second Ramtikar Pandey sir. Because he took our college is another level. So we are going for NAC. If I become a principal, we'll go for MBA.
Anybody? Are you getting leaves? How many CL? Huh? Are you getting leaves? How many CL? Huh? To verify in the accounts department. To verify in the accounts department.
How to take some maternity leave? So I'm not clear with that. I
Don't answer this question, please. Somebody will answer. Those who are well. PF, you are not getting maternity leave, you are not getting a gratuity, you are not getting health insurance. Total number of colleges. Huh? Yes? Out of 190, what is your rank? Is it less than 50, less than 100, less than 25, less than 10? Forget it, NRI.
Quality of education, sir?
Huh?
Quality of education one?
On what basis? Anybody has done survey?
Quality of education one thing?
No. Have you, anybody has done survey?
Yes, sir. We have taken feedbacks from the students.
Is brought to our notice also, then we just counsel them. But that will
No,
also...
we are not asking about the students. We are asking about the female employees.
No, sir.
60, 62, 64 या नहीं है? Maybe also. In AICT, you can work as a professor. Up to 65, you can work as a principal director. But up to 70, you can no. Any private college, you can work up to 70.
Emeritus can be up to 70 years.
But as a professor, you can work in private institution. What we are asking here, retirement age.
I think nobody reached that superannuation age so far, sir.
One should know it. No? There are some professors.
See, it's not question of that nobody has reached to that limit. The only thing is that service condition, we must know our service conditions, isn't it? So I am really surprised that you don't know what is your retirement age. And one more question, like if the ward of any teacher or employee, if he or she gets admission in this college, so does he or she get some sort of priority quota or fee concession?
You get my question, what I'm asking? Do you get some sort of benefit in terms of fee, in terms of, admission?
Yes, sir. Free shifts.
Free shifts, it's 100%? Sure?
Yes, sir. Very sure.
सब बेटियां और बेटे को मेरी ओर से बहुत कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन। इनके पैरों में कितनी ताकत थी वो मैंने आज यहाँ देखा है। आने वाले समय में 1 साल तक तो हम कुछ एमओयू नहीं कर सकते, मगर 1 साल के बाद हो सकता है कि हमारी कॉलेज के साथ भी एमओयू करके ये कल्चरल प्रोग्राम की एक्सेप्ट कर सकते हैं। जिन्होंने ट्रेनिंग दिया है, तालीम दिया है, वो सबको भी मेरी ओर से बहुत बहुत कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन। बहुत लंबा प्रोग्राम था मगर बहुत छोटा लगा, बहुत मज़ा आ गया। और आपकी कॉलेज का और ये सब जो पार्टिसिपेंट था उनका फ्यूचर बहुत अच्छा है। बेस्ट विशेस, बहुत मज़ा आ गया। अगेन थैंक यू सो मच। आपने हमें बहुत ऑक्सीजन दे दिया है आज। कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन।
For the valuable feedback.
Witness to some beautiful performances. Performances were really very good, with full of energy, and I must congratulate to all the students and their mentors. You have proven that the engineers are nevertheless, and they can be, perform very well. And I must congratulate to the teachers also, because we have been witness to some teachers also. Wonderful performances, Rajkumar ji especially. So thank you so much for your creativity and energy. Wish you all the best. Thank you so much.
I don't have many words to explain, your wonderful performance. But I request all of you to stand up and give a standing ovation to all the teams. Teams of the members, those are exhibited. Once again, I want to I am also basically a classical dancer. I have finished. I know 6-7 languages. My mother tongue is Konkani because of Goa. I am from Goa. But every evening, I listen ETV Salavishekam program. Whenever I get bored, whenever I tense, whenever I get like bothered by some other issue, I listen to the songs of SPG, Chaitra ji, Sweeta ji. I think all you know. I give the 500 rupees prize money to one person who answered my question. In my life, I have not seen a second time any movies, but one movie which I have seen 10 times, That too is from Telugu film industry. 3 chances. Whoever answer that, you have to name the film. I don't give any clue. That prize money is small amount, 500 rupees. So 3 chances I give. That movie I have seen 10 times in my life. Still I want to see that movie. Very intelligent. Next is another movie also I have seen, the Swati Mutyam. Correct?
Yes, Swati
Token of appreciation, please. Yeah, and I don't know. Are you having a what you call band or I don't know? But by looking at the variety of talents, I tell the principal, sir, and the chairman have a full-fledged music club so that they can start. Because talent is already there, inevitable, no doubt about it. But if there is a facility from the principal and vitamin M from chairman sir, that is money, So if you have got a music club and a band, so that students can go to colleges, participate all over India, so the name, fame of the college will come in the limelight. And also, in today's life, what happens because of this, Mukha world, Mukha, it's a disturbed world. We don't enjoy ourselves. Always keeping mobile, chatting, that's all. But because of these clubs and all band, once in a week, if you relax, definitely your memory power will also increase, your positive thinking will increase, there will be a positive energy in the campus, not only here, in your livelihood also. I request chairman sir and the principal to get it do at the earliest, so that the positive energy will spread across this community. So thank you, because we were relaxed, tensed up. Because of some issues, if there would have been marks for only cultural, I would have given A+++++.
Please be ready for the next photo with an IP team. I request all the dance performers to be ready for the photo session with an IP team.
Ready? Okay, ready, smile. Next. కొంచెం ముందుకు జరగండి
చేది
Okay, 1 second.
Be ready for the next photo session.
Okay, ready? Ready, smile. One second. Okay, ready? Smile. Okay, ready? Okay, ready?
Yes.
Next, NSS members, please get ready for the
Okay, ready,
photo
smile.
session. And volunteers.
Ready? Okay, ready, join. Okay, ready? Smile. Okay. Okay, ready? Smile.
I request all the HODs, please be ready for the next photo session.
Okay. Okay, ready? Smile.
I request all the staff members be ready for the photo session.
Okay, right. Okay, ready?
Former Vice Chancellor with extensive experience in academic leadership, achievements and contributions, key figure in university accreditation and quality enhancement. Achievements and contributions. Recognized for significant contributions to university curriculum development. And management. Achievements and contribution. Honored for leadership in educational initiatives and community service.
NAC बी टीम को स्वागत करते हुए आज सवेरे से being with you, I could learn something from you. Though it was purely academic matter, we are no way concerned with the academic matter. We are just facilitators. But still, since morning when I was being with you, I could learn. Education with commitment. For it, that commitment, it means what are the needs and requirements are there, I could understand this point. बहुत बहुत सीनियर रायकर जी है, गुप्ता जी है, मोदी जी है. मोदी जी तो इमीडिएटली कदम करता है मोदी जी प्रधानमंत्री. Really? और मेरता मनमोड़. माता के बुआ के बेटे मोदी जी एकदम फैन. कल से मैं सवेरे से दोपहर से राइट फ्रॉम एयरपोर्ट से यहाँ तक आने तक निजामाबाद तक बहुत कुछ दोनों से सीख पाया. और मॉर्निंग गुप्ता जी भी बहुत कुछ हमें हिम्मत दी है और मार्गदर्शन किया है. आप सभी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. मैं एक वादा करता हूँ आपको हमारे स्टाफ की ओर से और हमारे कॉलेज के पंडित दीनदयाल उपाध्याय सोसाइटी की ओर से. We are in a totally poor rural area. We aimed to impart good education in rural and poor family children. Having lands at Hyderabad also, we did not establish the college. जन्मभूमि जहाँ पर है वहाँ पर सेवा करना ये हमारा लक्ष्य था. आज all together, Kshatriya institutions together, more than 4,000 students are there in the campus. and more than I think 420 or 430 staff members all together यहाँ पर employment दे पा रहे हैं। Indirect many traders को हो, ऑटो को हो, हॉस्टल में हो, होटल्स को हो, किराना, कई लोगों को यहाँ पर हमारे बच्चों के कारण से, हमारे स्टाफ के कारण से दे रहा तो अच्छा है, उनको काम मिल रहा, कमाई मिल रहा, उतना खुशी है। हम आगे आपको वादा करते हैं कि आप जो भी बताए कमियां खामियां, I assure you, I am here, I will look after personally, our society, all my family look after. Definitely with the dedication will develop this college. Please, we seek your blessings. Bharat Mata Ki Jai.